We are here at the Brookfield Sheraton Hotel. This customer had a dual NVR, about maybe 25, 26 cameras. They lost all the cameras, lost all the connectivity. And when we came in, there was only one camera that was visible. Some of the stuff we had to do was do some rewiring on one of the wings, and then do some programming on another part of the wing. Right now what we're doing is, after all that wiring, after all that programming, we are reconfiguring the NVRs. Already set up, reset the password of these NVRs using the Hikvision SADP tool, and we are still seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cameras that are out there that need to be reconfigured. Thankfully, these are just going to be needing some reprogramming, and that's what we're going to do here. So as soon as we get through this part, we'll do some password resets, and then we should be fully up with all their cameras. Because they have some cameras that are plugging in directly to the NVR, the majority of them are just PoE over the network. We have to go into each channel. This is just the way the Hikvision sets it up. We have to go into each channel and manually insert the camera. The NVR will always default to trying to find something plugged directly into it, and it'll fill those channels first, and then it'll go out, search the network for cameras. Problem here is that because we have two NVRs, it is detecting the cameras on the other NVR and filling them in, so that's where we have to do some manual work. We got to free up those channels to get these up correctly. Oops. 142. There we go. Hmm. 43. Got one that have 143.